Today, most energy we use comes from coal. Coal is also one of the deadliest and most expensive resources that we use for energy today. A better alternative to this would be nuclear energy. While there is a stigma around nuclear energy in terms of being very dangerous and very accident prone, this is due to very public incidences that have happened. It is by far safer, more reliable, and more cost-effective than coal ever is. While coal is the most unsafe fuel source we have, it is deadlier than the next top three energy sources combined. In this graph here, it shows that coal, which is these top two bars, causes on average 57 deaths per terawatt hour produced, as compared to nuclear energy, which is only at 0.07 deaths per terawatt hour. This data here was collected by the Our World in Data, which is backed by the Oxford University. And that 0.07 figure for nuclear energy includes major accidents such as Fukushima and the Chernobyl incident. Also, those two top bars on this graph are for coal, which is higher than the next top three energy sources. I may have already said that. Also, from this data, death caused by coal energy every single year equates to about 25 deaths per year, as compared to nuclear energy, which has about one death every 14 years by comparison. Not only is nuclear energy far less deadly than coal, it is also considerably more reliable than the other green options proposed to replace coal energy. Coal has been used for over 100 years. It's proven its reliability. It's also caused massive irreversible damage to the environment and climate change, things that we are struggling to reverse right now. And nuclear energy is proven to be a more effective, more reliable alternative. The Department of Energy says that nuclear energy is 2.5 to 3.5 times more reliable than solar and wind energy combined. So in addition to being more reliable, it is also more cost effective than the other forms of energy. While initial costs for a nuclear reactor are expensive, the cost for maintaining one and resupplying the fuel are significantly lower than a coal plant, or any other form of energy for that matter. And throughout history, coal and oil prices have fluctuated greatly. During the Cold War, coal and oil prices skyrocketed, causing energy and fuel to become incredibly expensive, while nuclear fuel has remained relatively consistent in terms of price. In conclusion, nuclear energy is a safer, more reliable, and more cost-effective option for energy. And with new technology being developed today, we have new thorium reactors which are more efficient and also are even safer than our current reactors. All of this is to help protect the Earth from climate change and to help decrease the amount of pollution and carbon in our atmosphere. Coal's been used for over 100 years. It's proven its reliability. We need to move on to a more green option, and nuclear energy is the best option for that.